Okay, it's Friday, September 23rd. Just wanted to follow up on Netflix. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, we've moved nicely down from that first bar where I bought some puts up here at the yellow line. We've taken out the the pre-market lows. We're starting lower here, below 230, the 229 area. I scaled out some more of the position. I bought those puts at 1028, scaled out at 1125 to set up a no-risk trade. Just scaled out some more at 1321. They're up to, that's where the last trade was here. So we're moving lower. Again, I'm targeting, if we go to the daily chart here, I discussed how after broadening out these three bars, broadened out this one red bar, and if you're not going to get the reversal here, midpoint to the prior day, heading up above the pre-market range, then likely, you're going to head down and broaden out to the next target, which like I had here is that 227, 226 area. So let's see today if that action continues down to that next target. That should be where, we are heading. At least for today, as long as the 15-minute structure holds up and continues lower. We might get a pause in here and then another push down. We might not make it there, but, at this point, you can see now there's a nice gap in here, so that should provide some resistance on any kind of a pause and hopefully head lower. You never know. Again, on the weekly chart, I still see the possibility to head up to take out those highs in time, so we have to see what kind of bar closes here. If it's really red on the week by the end of the day, then we could be following through a little lower and trying to target this area. And if we broaden out down there, that could kind of negate the whole, move back up towards those highs. But if we kind of head down a little bit next week and then can't get down there, that could be exciting to get back long again. So we'll see what happens. But for today, again, based on my original video, I just saw a likelihood of this kind of scenario developing, and it's played out nicely in terms of, failing to reverse here after a short-term broadening out. So that takes you then down to the next target, and that aligns with a weekly chart that might be getting ready to, hit the midpoint of the prior week, and then also, have a 2-down week into next week. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get continuation. Right now I'm mostly out of the main part of the position with nice gains, so it's all no risk at this point. Just seeing now, I watched 15-minute price action to see if we can work down to this target by, some point today. And if not, it's still going to be a nice gain anyway. So, I'll just have to watch the structure to see how to play the rest of the trade out. But obviously a good trade on Netflix today, and one that just happened, it worked out nicely in terms of that immediate follow through, which is always good.